What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back now with a video, and today we're looking at a projector from Vamvo. This is a home theater projector, and this one as well is good for Dolby. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when next videos to come, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Basically, if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. Very affordable projectors by Vamvo. As you can see here inside, we take out the box. Comes with a little carrying case there, which is really cool if you want to use this while you are traveling. Let's open this up and see what else we get inside. Get a user manual right here, and then the projector itself. There you go. Boom. It also comes with the power cord right there. Aux in cable converter, remote, and an HDMI cable right there as well. Pretty cool. The bag is meshed inside, very comfortable for the projector there, won't get any scratches. Pretty cool. Let's put that on the side for now. Let's take this out of the plastic. There you go. As you can see there, let's take out this tape up here. There you go. Little cap at the front there as well for the lens. Pretty cool. You guys take a load of this back right here for all the inputs. Very nice. The back has the VGA slot, HDMI slots, power button, big one right there. This one is for keystone, manual keystone right there. Really cool device here, I've never seen that before. AV and headphone jacks right there if you want to extend it. You want to extend it to a speaker, IR blaster there as well. Micro SD slot and 2 USB slots right there. This one as well, if you want to clean the filter for the fan, this will get very dusty over time. You can take that out and just put this in the dishwasher or something like that. Just wash it real quick. And as you can see inside, there's the fan. Up in the top right here, we have the focus slider right there. There's also a bunch of keys right here, and the OK button there if you don't want to use the remote. The front here as well is an IR blaster. Side is full of fans and also speakers. It also has mounting on the bottom. Good for vessel mounts. The bottom as well, as you could see, you can mount this on the ceiling there, and you can adjust the height if you're just putting it on the table. Let's go ahead and try this out. And there it is. I use a universal ceiling mount for projectors. It works anyway. It's just 4 slots there, and we were able to install it up in the ceiling. The initial setup, it'll look like this, and this is what it looks like as well with the light on. But then you could change that on the settings. You could flip the projected image. Here it is as well with the remote. You can control the projector using a remote just like that. It has different options as well for movies, HDMI and VGA, as you can see there. Now if this is too big for you, you can also change the image size to 100 or up to 75%. So you can base it on that. You can also change the aspect ratio of this as well. Now with 100%, I'm getting about 110 inch projected on the wall here. I'm gonna go with 75 so I can get about 75% of that, which is close to 80 inches. There you go. Now let's look at it in the dark. As you can see here, I still have the light on the hallway there, but in the bedroom it's fully turned off. And as you could see, the quality of this is really good. I am really surprised what I saw the image quality of this. It's quite beautiful actually. Now let's test out the sound, see how loud it gets. That's it for the box. Let's put that away. Here we go. Everything is all metal. Very nice. I'm actually really surprised about the speakers of this, and I think it's really good as well. It gets pretty loud and the quality doesn't really fade away as you turn the volume up, which is really good. So this is one of the tests for the Dolby sound. So let's hear it out.
That transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of the scene, or captures the full extent of nature's fury. And remember this?
Actually, the recording doesn't do any justice on the quality of this projector. You'd have to see it with your bare eyes, and it actually has really strong black points, and the contrast between colors and the white balance is really good as well on this projector. The camera doesn't really do justice, like I said earlier. Now let's do some gaming as well. This is really useful if you're playing a bunch of games in PS4, PS5, maybe Xbox, Xbox X, and maybe Xbox S, or maybe on Apple TV alone. Right now we are using the Apple TV, and I'm using one hand. Actually, one hand is recording, one hand is playing, and as you could see, there's no input lag on it, which is really good if you are into intense gaming. You want to be on the right spot at the right time. You don't want lagging in the middle of nowhere and then you ended up getting killed, right? And let's say if you're playing COD or something like that, as you can see, I'm able to maneuver this plane all around without any lag on it, which is really cool. Let's try a more intense gaming here, which is a Sonic Hedgehog. I'm really bad at this game, as you can see, but as you can see, I am able to maneuver. There's no lag as well when I use I'm just using the Siri remote right now, and there's no lag in between it, which is really good. Now let's watch some of our favorite shows here. Spoilers alert, but it's just a snippet. There's nothing to it. I'm gonna zoom in and out as well so that you guys can see closer of the image. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new projector like from Vamvo. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Definitely would recommend this for people who are starting to look at projectors for their home. And this is one of the cheaper versions, but also with a great quality. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this projector. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well, and hit that notification bell so you could be notified of next videos to come. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.